Hello dear students, welcome all in mathematics lecture. So today we are going to learn about exercise 7.2, question number B, second and third question. So see here, question number 2, seventh question is solve the following equation 4 plus 5 into bracket z minus 1 which is equal to 34. So now first write down the given question as it is. Now removing the bracket. So see here 5 into z, answer is 5z. Okay, 5 into 1, answer is 5, but the sign of this 5 is plus and this one is minus. So plus 5 into minus 1, answer is minus 5. So now see here 5z as it is, 4 minus 5, answer is minus 1 which is equal to 34. So now this one is plus 1, so we have to add. Okay, so adding 1 to both sides of the equation, so we have 5z minus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 34 plus 1. That means we have to add plus 1 to the both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side. So now see here minus 1 plus 1 0, 34 plus 1, answer is 35. So here 5z plus 0 which is equal to 35. So here 5z plus 0, answer is 5z which is equal to 35. So now see here coefficient of z is 5. Okay, so we have to divide, that means dividing both the sides of the equation by 5. So we have 5z divided by 5, 35 divided by 5. So now see here these two cancel because these two numbers are same in the numerator as well as in the denominator place. So here we know that in 5's table 35 is there. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So what is the answer here? Z is equal to 7. This is the answer of question number 7th one. So let's solve question number 3. So here question number 3 is solve the following equations. First question is 3x which is equal to 15 minus 2x. So now first write down the given question as it is. Now next step is we have to transpose this 2x to the left hand side. Okay, so while transposing this 2x we have to change the sign of this 2x. Okay, so now in this step, previous step, the sign of 2x is minus, so we have to shift this 2 to the left hand side, so that's why we have to change the sign. So opposite sign of plus minus, that is a plus. Okay, so write down here 3x plus 2x which is equal to 15. That means transposing 2x to the left hand side, so that's why here made a sign plus. So now 3x plus 2x, what is the answer here? 5x which is equal to 15. So now dividing both the sides of the equation by 5 because the coefficient of x is 5, so that's why we have to divide both the sides by 5. So 5x divided by 5 which is equal to 15 divided by 5. So this 5 cancel, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So what is the value of x here? X is equal to 3. So this is the answer of question number 3, first one. So let's solve next question here. Question number 3, solve the following equation. Third question is x upon 4 which is equal to 3 plus x by 3. So now again here first write down the given equation as it is. Now transposing x by 3 to the left hand side. Okay, so now the sign of this x by 3 in the right hand side, that is a plus, so we have to shift this x by 3 to the right hand side, so that's why here we have to change the sign of x by 3. So here sign is plus, so we have to write down here minus. So now we have to, this one is a subtraction of fraction. Okay, so we have to make denominator equal. So how to make denominator equal? So first calculate LCM. So LCM is, what is LCM here? 4 3s are 12. So we have to make denominator as a 12. So first fraction multiply by 3 and second fraction numerator as well as denominator we have to multiply by 4 because 4 3s are 12. So next step is here multiplying numerator as well as denominator for the first fraction by 3 and second fraction by 4. So here answer is 3x divided by 12 minus 4x divided by 12, which is equal to 3. So now this denominator is same now. So 3x minus 4x. So 3 minus 4, these two are the like terms, correct? So subtraction of like term means we have to subtract coefficient of like terms. So this one is 3. Coefficient of first like term is 3 and next coefficient is minus 4. Okay, so 3 minus 4, what is the answer here? Which is equal to minus 1. So that's why here minus 1x. Okay, divided by 12 as it is. Now next step is minus 1x, you can write only x. Whenever the coefficient is 1, then you can remove this 1 and write down only later. So now next step is, in the previous step the denominator is 12. So we have to multiply both the sides of the equation by 12. So we have minus x upon 12 into 12, which is equal to 3 by 12. 3 into 12. So these two 12 cancel. So left hand side is only minus x and 12 3s are 36. Okay. So now see here in the left hand side sign of this x is minus. Okay. But for the right hand side sign is plus. That means left hand side is minus, right hand side is plus. So that means opposite sign. So we have to find the value of x. But here what the sign of this x is negative. So that's why we have to shift this minus sign to the right hand side. Okay. So x is equal to minus 36. So this is the answer of question number 3. So now next example here. Question number 5, x by 5 plus 1, which is equal to x minus 3. Okay, so first write down the given question as it is. Now we have to shift this, that means transposing this x to the left hand side and this 1 to the right hand side. So we have to change the sign. So sign of this x in the right hand side is plus, so that's why we put here minus sign. Again the sign of this one is plus, so for the right hand side we have to write down here minus. Okay, so now solve this. Minus 1 minus 3, what is the answer here? Minus 4. Now denominator of x is 1. Okay, so subtraction of fraction. So first we have to make the denominator equal. So what is the LCM here? 5. Okay, so now next one, LCM is 5. Okay, so make here x denominator is 1. So we have to multiply numerator as well as denominator by 5. So 5 into x answer is 5x. 5 into 1 answer is 5. Okay, so now which is equal to minus 1 minus 3 answer is minus 4. So denominator write down only 1 times. So x minus 5, what is the answer here? Minus 4x, which is equal to minus 4. So now next one, minus x minus 5x. Coefficient of x is not given, so that's why here coefficient we have to consider 1. So 1 minus 5 answer is minus 4. So next step, here left hand side is minus 4x divided by 5. Okay, so we have to multiply by 5, but here this number is negative. Okay, so that's why we have to multiply both the sides by minus 5. So let's multiply here. Minus 4x divided by 5 into minus 5, which is equal to minus 4 into minus 5. So see here, this 5 cancel, minus minus cancel, so left hand side is 4. Minus 4 into minus 5 answer is 20. So what is the answer here? 4x, which is equal to 20. So dividing both the sides of the equation by 4 because the coefficient of x is 4. So what is the answer here? 4x divided by 4, which is equal to 20 by 4. So here 4 cancel, so 20 by 4, here answer is 5. So this is the answer of question number 7th one.